Hi, I'm Sandy Botkin, CPA, attorney, and former trainer of IRS attorneys nationwide. And I'm the author of the upcoming book, Achieve Financial Freedom Big Time. The purpose of this is to talk about travel. You know, how would you like to write off your travel expenses? One of the things I get a lot is, Sandy, can I ever deduct eating out alone? I don't know what they're going to do. They're going to talk to themselves or what? Eating out alone is never deductible unless you're on business travel. Then you can deduct eating out alone, 50% of the food. So when are you on business travel? You're on business travel whenever you are sleeping away from home in a strange bed conducting business. So let's take an example. Let's say I'm going to do a seminar in New York. If I leave early in the morning and I get there in the morning, do a seminar, and come home in the evening, that is not travel status. I have to sleep over. And by the way, I don't have to worry about where this might be. For example, I gave a seminar in Gaithersburg, Maryland. Gaithersburg is only maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes from my home. But because I could have automobile problems, because I could have traffic problems, I want to make sure I'm at that seminar room. I could sleep over in a hotel in Gaithersburg, Maryland, and I am on business travel. But if I don't sleep over, I'm generally not on business travel. Now, what are the receipts? You do not need receipts for travel if it's under $75 per expense. So let's take an example. Let's say I'm going to a seminar in Florida and I spend $6 on drinks in the plane. And you don't know me very well, but I'm a nervous flyer. I will never sit next to a window because I don't want to see us take off. And I always try and upgrade to first class to make sure, I'm not snooty, but because I want to get the drink and knock myself out. Do you need a receipt for those $6 drinks? And the answer is no. Let's say I spend $6.95 for a buffet breakfast. Do I need a receipt for that? No, because it's under $75. Let's say I spend $20 on lunch. Do I need a receipt for that? No, because it's under $75. Let's say I go to the best restaurant in Florida while I'm at the convention or seminar, and I get a steak, and I get a glass of wine, and I get an appetizer, and I really live it up, and I spend $60. Do I need a receipt? No. The key is that you must document what you spent and why you spent it, and all the other W's, the 5 W's and an H, in TaxBot. That is the key. And I tend to keep receipts anyway, as I mentioned, but if you lose one, you don't need it if it's under $75. There are 2 rules for transportation. There's the transportation rule, which is the cost of getting there, and that is one set of rules. And then there's the on-the-road expense, which is what we're going to be talking about now. And that's what we're going to focus on. Transportation we'll deal with another video. And with on-the-road expense, in order to deduct your travel, you have to have pre-arranged appointments. You have to have an appointment in advance. And that's true for transportation too. You have to have some pre-arranged appointments. But for every day you're on business travel, you can deduct that day's on-the-road expenses, which means you can deduct 50% of your food, just like entertainment, 100% of your lodging, 100% of your dry cleaning, 100% of your laundry. And that's a big tip, by the way. You know, not only can you deduct all the dry cleaning and laundry you incur while you're on your business trip, but here's something I'll bet your accountant never told you that IRS just came out with. If as long as the clothing got soiled there, you may clean them anywhere. So your first dry cleaning bill you incur when you get home is fully deductible. Bet you didn't know that. So you want to do that. So the documentation, you want to show that where you went for dry cleaning, what you spent, all of this will be deductible. And by doing that, you'll make your life a lot less taxing.